Alrighty, so today we have something kind of fun to show you. It's something that I kind of stumbled upon, I haven't heard anybody talking about this, but it is something that is super amazing. And when I saw it, I immediately had to buy one. So I'm gonna show you today. Now, I recorded this a while ago, but for the life of me, I just can't find the video. So I've already actually unboxed this. And so you're not gonna get a first reaction, unfortunately. If I find it, I'll show you. But this one is a second reaction, but I'm still enamored by this. So without further ado, let's show you one of Acura's best kept secrets. Look at that. The 2024 Acura Integra Type S. This is something that I was not expecting to see so soon. 2024 has come and gone, and yet here it is. And if you look at right here, Matchbox, Acura, licensed and approved. And look at this. This is kind of the cool thing with Matchbox moving parts. They have a moving part, and here it is the hood where you can actually see into the engine bay. And there it is. So it's really neat. You gotta get to see the actual car. There's no plastic in front of it like the regular Hot Wheels, but it is still Mattel. So if you look around, we've got the back, which kind of shows you more about this. And by the way, I haven't seen any of this in the United States, but you can see official Acura licensed products. Really cool. Okay, so we've got UKCA. This might be appearing in your part of the world, but I haven't seen any in the United States, which is crazy. And I don't know why that is. If you know, leave a comment. But here it is. There's the side of it. Minimum plastic used. There's the bottom. Kind of see that. And here's this side. And this is the side that I actually opened it on. Still, we'll give you some sound effects. Because I taped it closed. Because like I said, I had already opened this up, but that's okay. I still think it's pretty sweet. So let's go ahead and we will open this up. Kind of an interesting little case that it comes in. So let's go ahead and we will remove this. Oh, there we go. That works. Okay, so we've got that in the background here. And then here is the case that it comes in. Be very careful removing this. It will scratch the paint. We can kind of see it's not just yellow. This color, I forget what the color is called, but it is brilliant yellow. And it has that sparkly pearlescence in it. Really neat. It's got racing wheels. It's got the racing wing on the back. Everything you would expect from a race car. So here's the back of it. And on the back, you can kind of see the tires showing. So let's go ahead and carefully remove this. There it is. But here we have the 2024 Acura Integra HRC. Now, Acura is calling this the 2024 Acura Integra Type S HRC. No prototypes involved there, but you can kind of see here, it is a beauty. Taking it out of the box. Quite a beauty. Let's get a front 3/4. There it is. Nice. The attention to detail is absolutely awesome. Look at that. We've got the HRC logo on front. You can see Integra right there, the chicane lights, the diamonds. That front air intake looks super aggressive. Carbon fiber hood from what I understand. Painted, of course, but look at those heat extractors or the hood vents. Looks so cool. All right, what about the rear 3/4? Oh yeah, look at that. The back of the Integra is so aggressive. It looks so cool. But yeah, let's check it. We still got the 3-pipe exhaust The back diffuser is one of the coolest diffusers on the market, even to this day. You know, the only time you're gonna get something that might be even cooler is a supercar, and that's no joke. It is that cool. The back lights are awesome. You can see, again, the HRC logo. Can you see Integra embossed? No, we don't see that. We're missing that, but you can see the A mark, and you've got this wing, and that is what everyone's super excited about. Let's check the bottom. Got the, oh, and here it says 2025 Acura Integra. I didn't notice that before. That's kind of fun. So what does that mean? 2024 and 2025 on the bottom. Does make you wonder, what is Acura thinking here? But right here we see 2025 Acura Integra Type S HRC. Looks awesome. We got a copyright of 2025. So I don't know how long these have been around. You know, we're well into 2026. That's showing 2025. Like I said, I haven't seen this car here in the United States. I had to buy this through other means. But anyway, pretty cool. Made in Thailand. Let's look at those wheels. Those wheels are awesome. Love it. The side view looks absolutely incredible. You know, the Integra is one of the best looking sports sedans on the market, I think. I mean, hear me out. Everything about it is just so good. Now, let's go ahead and let's see what we can do with the hood. And okay, just get a little tape. Oh, look at that. Okay, so there's the engine bay. And you can see, it says Type S. Again, fantastic attention to detail. It looks absolutely amazing. And I don't really think anybody has seen the engine bay in the Integra HRC. Right now it's just a prototype, but look at that. Is that a sneak peek of what it's gonna look like? Really great attention to detail. It'll be very interesting to see where this goes. You know, where does this take us? But anyway, really cool. I love the Integra Type S HRC prototype. This is the Matchbox Moving Parts 2024 Acura Integra Type S HRC. And no prototype here. And then if you look on the bottom, 2025, it's now 2026. What are we gonna see? Well, I don't know. This says new for 2026. But then if you look over here, it says FWD. I don't know. 28. Does that mean in 2028 we're gonna get this? I keep hoping. I do keep hoping. But anywho, hope you enjoyed that. Hope you're as excited as I am. I love these Acura products and especially these toys. So if you happen to see one of these, go ahead and snag it because I don't think they're gonna make a lot of these. And I haven't seen these in the USDM. So check it out. They might be elsewhere. But with that, we hope you have a fantastic rest of your day, and check out some of our other videos, especially highlighting the Integra, but most recently the Honda Prelude, which is a fantastic car as well. Anyway, we will see you guys soon. Bye.